Hi everyone, welcome back to our English story channel. Very happy to see you again today. You ready to learn English with me? We have a new story for you. It's called A Trip to the Market. This story is perfect for beginner English learners. You will hear easy words and simple sentences. Listen carefully and try to repeat with me. Let's begin. Hello, my name is Sam. Today, I want to tell you about my trip to the market. I like going to the market. There are many things to see and buy fruits, vegetables, bread, and more. I leave my house at 9 o'clock in the morning. The sun is shining and the sky is blue. I take a bag and some money with me, walk to the market. It takes about 15 minutes. On the way, I see a cat sitting on a wall. It looks at me and blinks. I smile and keep walking. Soon, I reach the market. There are many people. Some are talking, some are shopping, and some are selling things. I love the sound of the busy market. First, I go to the fruit stall. I see red apples, yellow bananas, and green grapes. I pick 3 apples and 1 bunch of bananas. Good morning, I say to the fruit seller. Good morning, he says back. How much are the apples? I ask. They are $2, he says. I give him the money and put the fruit in my bag. Next, I go to the vegetable stall. There are carrots, tomatoes, and onions. I take 5 carrots and 2 tomatoes. The seller gives me a smile. Fresh vegetables today, she says. Yes, they look great, I reply. Now, I feel a little hungry. I walk to the bakery stall. The smell of bread is so good. I see warm bread and sweet buns. I buy 1 bun and eat it slowly. It is soft and sweet, delicious. After that, I look around a little more, see flowers, clothes, and handmade bags. I don't buy anything else today, but I enjoy looking. Now it is time to go home. My bag is full and I feel happy. I walk home slowly and enjoy the sunny day. At home, I wash the fruits and vegetables. I put them in the fridge. Then I make a cup of tea and sit by the window. What a nice morning. That was my trip to the market. I hope you enjoyed the story. Did you understand the words? Try to listen again and read with me. It will help you practice English. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you like going to the market? What do you usually buy? Write your answer in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next story. Bye-bye. See ya.